Hi folks, I'm Max.
And I'm Yana.
And today we'll talk about our top 3 trading platforms where you can trade without commissions, where there is no charge for placing stock or ETF trade.
Because we already explained same information to our friends, we thought it is worth helping more people with exploring options and finding trading platforms with the most benefit.
Savings accounts allow your money to earn interest slowly, and there is low risk to lose that money.
Stocks offer high growth potential, but there is a risk of losing your money if you don't do your research. The first trading platform is TD Ameritrade.
Ameritrade is my personal favorite platform. I like it because excellent market research, industry-leading education for beginners and reliable customer service if there is any questions. They have tons of learning materials. Also, they have Think or Swim platform where you can customize charts and data you are interested and can be useful for your research or day trading. The next one is Fidelity.
It is my favorite. I use Fidelity for my personal investment account, for my 401k and for a rollover IRA from my previous employer. They have great analytics tools and a convenient user interface. Also, since March of this year, 2021, Fidelity offers fractional trading where you can buy just a portion of the stock if you want to. And the last trading platform is Robinhood. We're not using this platform personally, but some of our friends do. The biggest perk of Robinhood is that it has crypto trading.
Yeah, Robinhood allows cryptocurrency trades to be placed in very small quantities. Usually, platforms require a certain minimum in order to trade. Also, they have a mobile app and website that are extremely easy to use, especially for new users.
Thank you for watching this video.
Smash that like button and subscribe if you like it.
Hit dislike if you don't.
What are your favorite trading platforms and why?
Let us know in the comments.
Bye.
Bye.